Hi everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit about the World Readiness Standards for learning a world language, American Sign Language for myself. So I'm going to touch on the communication piece, interpersonal communication, and then connections. Students are able to learn and then make the connections of their own rooms into their rooms that they actually design, showing signs for each of the items in the room, in their room that they create. Our unit is house and home, so out of the 5 goal areas, like I said, we're going to touch on communication and culture, and then students making connections with others in regard to their room. Okay, so the layout of a room, we'll talk about classifiers. I show the classifier A, and when we're talking about a TV or lamp and how it's set up, TV set up, and then classifier 5, I can actually show that right here, and then placing a picture, posters, windows, and classifier 5 facing downward. Then we take the classifier C for chairs and dressers and set them up in your room. Classifier C. There's 5 steps to the layout of a room. You draw the shape of the room. You show where the door is located. Enter. Then you start to describe the room. Talk about windows. Okay. And then I can show again right here when they start with objects, it's to your right. Signer's perspective, signer's right. Okay. Place the items, and then you're going to sign my room finished, letting everyone know that that you're done with your project. Okay. Now, the idea is each student would draw a floor plan for a particular room with items in there for that room. And then they would use the notes we just went over, figure out those classifiers that fit appropriately. Then other students, they could have this in front of them while watching someone sign the layout of a room. Fill in the wall colors, floors, where the doors, windows, and other furniture items are. For example, if I had this in front of me, I would sign this to the students, start out with the layout of the room, So this shows different items that are in a living room per se, okay? And students can relate to that, and then they could be thinking about their own room. So again, making connections, it meets the cultural and conversational piece, communicating. All right, there's lots more ideas I have for this, but that's all for now. Thank you.